So here is how to send USDT from Telegram wallet to exchanger. So you can use any exchanger, but for this video I will use Binance. After you open up the exchanger, just go to asset. After you come to asset, go to deposit. After you come to the deposit, now go and search for USDT and select the USDT like this. After you select the USDT, so go ahead now and choose the network. So Telegram is using Ton network, that's Ton blockchain. So scroll to down and find open network, the open network. So now here is now the open network, that means Ton. After you select the Ton network, tap on this OK button. So here it will give you the memo and the address. Just copy the address. After you copy the wallet address, just close the exchanger and go and open up now your Telegram. So after you open up the Telegram, go to menu at the top left side and then go to wallets. So after you come to this wallet, now tap on this send button. So now tap on this external wallet. So from this option here is the USDT. So make sure you select this one which says dollar and tap on this continue button. So from this option now go ahead and paste in the address you copy. Tap on this paste. After you paste in the address you copy, now here is, as you can see now the address is under Ton network, and tap on this continue again. So now specify the amount you want to send. So let's say I want to send 150. After you type in the amount you want to send, just tap on this continue button. If you have enough USDT, it will allow you now to tap on the continue button, and from there the USDT will be sent into the exchanger that you copy the address from it. And that's it guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.